Welcome to this lecture on range. Range is a simple measure of how spread out data is by finding the difference between the highest and lowest values.
It indicates the full extent of variation in the data points.
A high range means the data is spread out widely. A low range means the values are close together.
Range is always non-negative and one of the easiest measures of spread to calculate. The formula for range is simple. Range equals the maximum value minus the minimum value.
Unlike variance, range has no separate formulas for population or sample. It's the same for any dataset. Let's calculate range for this dataset. 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 9. Step 1. Identify the maximum value, which is 9, and the minimum value, which is 2. So, the range is 7. This means the data spreads over a difference of 7 units. In summary, range gives a quick idea of data spread, but it's sensitive to extreme values.
Thank you for watching this lecture on range.